What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
I'm Drew, this is Ashton, and if you don't know already, this is our YouTube channel. Well, it's Ashton's YouTube channel, and we do lots of fun videos. We make things, create things, unboxing, toy videos, lots of videos. So check out more of our videos on our channel.
Oh dear, my birthday.
4 more months to your birthday,
Yeah.
and you'll be 5. 5 already. Yeah, that's 5 years away. Anyway, this is the first video with our new haircuts. We both shaved each other's hair off. If you haven't seen that video already, I'll leave the link in the description below. You did a good job.
Yeah.
You did? Okay. Nice haircut. Anyways, we had a video before where we done a toilet roll challenge. It was Ashton versus the masked man, and obviously Ashton won. Now we've got a lot of toilet roll tubes. So we thought, what can we do with these toilet roll tubes? Make a marble set! Yeah, we're gonna make a marble maze run. We've already made a base here out of cardboard. He's added a couple of stickers on. We've made a cardboard base. We've got some craft sticks. Glue. Got some stickies, craft stickers. Marbles, pens, and loads of toilet roll tubes. Yeah, that's a knife. Yeah, but be careful with the craft knife.
Yeah.
If you're going to do this at home and you're using scissors or a craft knife, please get your parents to help you.
Yeah.
I don't want to be sued for any kids that cut themselves following this video. Right, well, where do we begin? We'll start off. We need to make a platform. So we can add. We need to make a platform up here so we can add the toilet rolls. We start from the top and it'll work its way down and out this hole and hopefully into this box here. That's the plan. So we've got some craft sticks.
Yeah, we more too.
Craft sticks. Yeah, so stick them in this box just now. Because basically what we need to do now is we need to make a platform. Yeah, it's supposed to get into the box. Kids!
Hi, buddy.
So, marble will come out here at the end.
I like
It's gonna
idea.
land in here.
I like that idea.
Right, so let's begin. We'll glue some of these sticks together. Like it? Thumbs up?
Whoa! The everybody! Whoa!
So where the marbles go?
Hey,
The top.
yeah. This. Whoa, whoa, look at that! What's the map? Hi, I am Big Air.
Is that your spaceship? So, there you have it, guys. One marble run made out of toilet
Yeah.
roll.
More left.
Loads more left, but I think that took us long enough to do.
Hour.
So, you ready to play?
Yeah.
Try it at home. See if you can make something out of toilet roll tubes.
Wait. You get
Simple
one.
enough. There you go. Ready? Remember, like and subscribe to our channel. If you
Yeah.
want to see any more content, if you like our videos, give us a big thumbs up. Smash that like button.
I know this.
Until the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.